Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 16th day of January 2022. I'm going to talk about Terra Luna today. I want to see, can we still see this price explode? I mean, look at the price over the last couple of days in Terra Luna, and you guys can literally tell that the price has been going up. Yeah, it's been a very sustained movement higher, but can we still see it continue? Well, I'm going to talk about that today on this video, and if so, I'm going to drop a price prediction right here on this price chart so you guys can see where I'm expecting the market to go, so that you all won't be scared, nervous. At least you'll be aware as to where I'm looking for the price to be without being confused. So make sure you guys appreciate that. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. I do everything fully transparent. You guys get to see all of my price predictions, not hiding anything from you. I'm the one that's literally plotting it on the chart so you guys can keep track of it. So now let's talk about Terra Luna real quick. You guys can see I didn't do a price prediction on the last video. That was on November the 25th. I didn't do a price prediction. I wanted to wait. I wanted the market to give us a little bit more information so we can try to tell whether or not the market is still a buy or whether it's going to fall. So what do you think? Since November the 25th, which is right here, the market and Terra Luna has went massively higher since then. So if you all expected that, then congratulations, kudos. I'm here to give you your props because you did a fantastic job of calling the market. Now, what do you think now though? Don't worry about it. I got the comment section open so you guys can drop me a comment about where you think Terra Luna is going to go next. But for me, I need to revise this price chart. You guys can see I got these two horizontal lines here on the chart, and the price is all the way up there around $85, $86. There's no need for me to keep it here. So I need to get rid of one of them. And the second thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take this next one, and we're going to continue to follow the trend into the market in Terra Luna. I mean, look at this. This market is very strong in Terra Luna. I mean, this is probably one of the strongest cryptocurrencies in the market right now. Yeah, we're definitely in a bullish trend into the market in Terra Luna, which simply means that everyone is in agreement with where price is going. So I'm going to transpose that once horizontal line and make it the trend. This is the trend into the market in Terra Luna. So we already know from off the bat, as long as the price stays above this ascending line, guess what? We will forever go higher in price. It will never come down. But once we break this trend, then we need to reevaluate and say, all right, cool. The market has told us that the market is no longer expected to go up. We need to play the weakness then. So far, generally what we're looking forward to, right? We're looking forward to the price continuing to go up in the market. Now, let's see how high though. So this is it on a 3-day time frame, right? And we're starting out on a new 3-day price bar. And I'm telling you all, like the last two completed 3-day price bars is massively strong. We've seen on both of those 3-day price bars, weakness and selling coming in. But in the end, the price still closed up there at the high of the bar. The market is trying to go up. This is what this market is literally telling us. So that's very good to see. Now, let me drop this and look at this on another different time frame. This is the 5-day. Take a look at this last completed 5-day price bar in Terra Luna. See, one thing we all need to come and realize is that the price doesn't lie. When the market is trying to go up, it'll tell us. When the market is trying to come down, guess what? It'll tell us that too, because you cannot lie with what you do with your money. Once you come in and hit that buy button, that's it. Once you come in and hit that sell button, that's it. You cannot take it back and do a redo or a retry and say, okay, I got that wrong. Let me do this one again. No, once you're in it, you're in it. And basically the last 3-5 trading days into the market, Terra Luna, the market is in consensus to tell us that they're looking for this price to go up. So who are we to get in the way? We don't. We simply follow what everyone else is trying to do. So far, we're looking pretty bullish into the market in Terra Luna. All right. So look at this on a weekly time frame. We got 7 hours and 35 minutes left, and we're still looking kind of bullish. Yep. Still looking like the market in Terra Luna wants to go up. So let's try to figure this out, because I don't want us to be antsy. I don't want us to be overly excited and say that this price in Terra Luna is going to hit $500. No, not like that. Let's just try to figure out, okay, how high can this price go before we see some selling come in and the market tries to drop again? Where do you think that price level is? Where do you think the sellers are at? Because the sellers are still in this market too. We cannot think that they're not here. Yeah, they're still here, but at what price? Let's see. Let's take this on a 13-hour chart and let's try to figure this out, because you can see here on the 13-hour chart that this area of restriction is kind of coming through in Terra Luna. but I'm looking around 92. That's the first area that we can actually see this price in Terra Luna get rejected. Okay, right here, $94. Okay, right there around $94 is where we need to pay attention to see the sellers. So that's like another 9.5% market movement to the upside in price. Now, I'm here to tell you this too. As long as the market price in Terra Luna is able to trade above, I would say around 76, I'm going to continue to expect price to go up. Yeah, so even if I do see price fall down to 80, down to 77, I'm cool, because I understand that the buyers are probably going to try to jump in around 76 to keep the market supported and have another shot at bring this market back up to around $94. Okay, so let me give you what I have right now, because I said around 76. Okay, and then the first area for us to try to take the bag, take some profitability, is right there around 94. See, I don't want us to become greedy. I want us to understand that we need to take what the market is offering to us. We are not in this market to tell it what we want, because if so, that's how we end up losing. We got to understand that this market is not prepared. It was not created for us, the individual. So as we see opportunities, we need to be prepared to grab it and take it and move on and be satisfied and not become greedy or fearful. This is how you got to act when you come into these markets, because no one's here for your well-being. They don't care about you. They don't care about me. So why should we care about them? We simply need to come in, get that profit, and move on, right? So that's the first spot right there, 94. Okay. Now, from a long-term perspective, can we see the market in Terra Luna come up here to make all-time highs? Yes, we can. So I'm going to expect the market to try to come up here and make all-time highs. Now, more than likely, it's going to fall short, but you understand, as long as we're in position to at least get some of the profitability up there around 100, that'd be cool. So we got $94 first as the price target. Second area price target is going to be around 100, and that's it. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this, and then we're going to switch it back over to the daily time frame so we can continue to keep watch of it on the daily basis. Okay, and that's it. I'm done. It wasn't hard. It wasn't complicated. I have given you indications to where the buyers need to come in. I have given you indications on the chart to where the sellers are at. Now we know. So now we just need to kick back and let the market trade. Come in every once in a while, see what the market is doing, and then if it's doing what we expected it to do, then we just move on, right? We just go back on with our day. That's how this game is supposed to be played. Now it's your turn. I got the comment section open for you all to give me your price target, for you all to give me your price prediction for Terra Luna as we go into the month of February. Where do you think the price is going to go? I mean, it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be confusing. There is enough confusion already on YouTube, and I definitely don't want to be part of that group. So give me something that you all can speak on simplistically to tell me where you think Terra Luna is going to go as we go into the month of February. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.